Okay. So the first part is think about your, what is called service center. This is where all the basic conversations are coming. How do I pay my bill? Oh, this product is not working. How do I kind of, make this work better if they purchase the product from you, right? So that's the type of discussion that is happening. Oh, by this time, they already went to your website. They probably watched a video or two, and that didn't resolve the issue. So we can imagine the conversation is not like a very basic conversation, though there's a decent portion of, simple interactions that are being automated that come in. But with the technology that is available, the automation that is happening, we should imagine when a customer is calling and interacting with your agent, they have done some basic homework and now they're in a different situation requiring help. Now, this chart is very, very interesting. As we look at this, chart from Gartner research, right? The bottom side is less loyal, top side is high loyal, right? So now the idea is, how do we increase the loyalty and keep the customer, again, in the spirit of repositioning our contact center from cost into profit center, right? How do we really contribute to the business? Now, most companies are measuring first call resolution. Most companies are measuring satisfaction. Of course, they're also measuring transfer rates to minimize this. They're also probably measuring average handle time, both for cost reasons and also no customer wants to wait for too long, all these metrics. But what we are doing in the process, while they might look like, really, really interesting metrics, all this research is saying is, by doing all of that, all we are doing is we took a damaged situation, otherwise the customer wouldn't call, and bring the loyalty back to normal. That means this is more of a damage control opportunity, right? All we are doing is take a damaged situation, bring back into normal, and we feel happy, measuring FCR, transfer rates, wait times, blah, 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 right? But what this research is saying is that's minimum, right? But that's, by doing this over and over, you're not going to increase the loyalty. What will increase the loyalty is by getting engaged in what Gartner calls value enhancing activities. Now, what are value enhancing activities? Revalidate why the customer purchased the product in the beginning. Ensure if they're getting enough value from there before the damage is done, before they start giving up, before they switch to your competition. Revalidate. Are they using it properly? Are there certain features that they are not properly using? Answer the question, but immediately get into this value engaging discussions, right? Help them achieve a goal, right? Educate them on better uses of the product because you're speaking with them. Just instead of just answering the question and be happy with first call resolution, transfer rates, and things like that. By doing things on the right side, yes, we are on the service side of the center, but by doing these things, you're absolutely increasing the stickiness, increasing the word of mouth, increasing referrals and renewals. Measure those things, show it to your CFO, and now all of a sudden your service center is contributing to the growth and also creating stickiness that sets up your other parts of the call center to kick the goal in terms of upsells and add-ons and retention and so on and so forth, right? So that's one way. Don't just get stuck with FCRs, transfer rates, handle times, wait times, all these cost-related metrics. Manage them by all means, but also get into value-enhanced activities, right? So that's one way to think about the part of your call center that is kind of helping with support, right?